Did you know that in some cultures, dragons are believed to control the weather? Welcome back to Quiz Mastery, your go-to spot for all things mythical. If you love exploring legends and lore, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Today we are testing your knowledge in the ultimate mythological creatures. Can you name these creatures from just a few clues, from the phoenix to the kraken? Let's see how well you know these legendary beings. Grab a pen or keep track in your head and let's dive in. What is the name of the winged horse in Greek mythology? What's it gonna be? Option A, Pegasus. Option B, Leviathan. Option C, Garuda. And the answer is A, Pegasus. Question 2 coming up. Which creature turns people to stone with a look? Your call. Option A, Chimera. Option B, Sphinx. Option C, Medusa. Here's the right answer, C, Medusa. Next up, question 3. What's the name of the world tree in Norse mythology? Can you pick one? A, Yggdrasil. B, Valhalla. C, Asgard. Did you guess it? The answer is A, Yggdrasil. Here's question 4. Half lion, half eagle, name this creature. Choose wisely. A, Cerberus. B, Griffin. C, Manticore. And the correct answer is B, Griffin. Now for question 5. Ready? Which beast regrows 2 heads for everyone lost? Make your choice. A, Centaur. B, Hydra. C, Kraken. Let's see. It's B, Hydra. Time for question number 6. Who is the ruler of the underworld in Egyptian mythology? What do you think? A, Osiris. B, Anubis. C, Horus. Time to find out. The answer is A, Osiris. Let's see. Question number 7. Who fiercely guards the golden fleece, a dragon with 100 eyes? Your options: A, Aladdin. B, Smaug. C, Fafnir. Got it right. It's A, Aladdin. We are halfway. Here's question number 8. King of serpents, who kills with a single glance? Take your pick. A, Banshee. B, Tiamat. C, Basilisk. Drum roll, please. The answer is C, Basilisk. Keep going. Question 9 is here. What's the name of the 9-tailed fox in Japanese mythology? Decide now. A, Tengu. B, Vivan. C, Kitsune. If you said C, Kitsune, you are correct. Here comes question 10. Which creatures rises for its ashes? Quick choice. A, Oni. B, Dragon. C, Phoenix. And the answer to this one is C, Phoenix. Ready for question 11? Name the shape-shifting water horse from Scottish folklore. Lock it in. A, Kelpie. B, Banshee. C, Naga. Wait is over. It's A, Kelpie. Now question 12. Which beast has a lion's head, goat's body and serpent's tail? Select an answer. A, Harpy. B, Chimera. C, Tiamat. Here's the reveal. B, Chimera. It's time for question 13. Who is the multi-headed dog guarding the underworld? It's up to you. A, Cerberus. B, Orthrus. C, Yuri. And the answer is A, Cerberus. Almost there. Question 14. What bird-like humanoid serves as Vishnu's mount? What's your guess? A, Rakshas. B, Garud. C, Asur. Here's the right answer, B. Garuda. And finally, question 15. What giant sea monster haunts Scandinavian seas? Now it's final choice. A. Scylla, B. Kraken, C. Charybdis. The correct answer is B. Kraken.
Thank you for watching. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.